Hello everyone, my name is Claudine and welcome to Les Trouvailles de Claudine. Today I'm doing my 30-second video demonstration of projects that I did realize in front of you, depending of each kit I'm using. And today is a Bouquet of Hope that I'm presenting. It was from February 2021. So my promotion that I offer is a personal promotion. It's just like I'll be giving away and mention it at the end of the video or add it after I edit my video and I'll mark it at the end of what I will be giving to my subscribers. Okay, so let's begin. So it's a very nice kit, but a lot of people, demonstrators, have been doing alternative project with this kit, and one of the fun one was the Fun Fold. And Rachel Tessman I did some of her projects from her videos, which I will put the link. And the only thing I had modified is a little bit of the little card here, the little card stock, to make it that it's alive, it's 3D, it opens up and it's moving. So that's one of the cards that I did with her. And what I discovered is like those things here, decoration, gold foiled on the front side. It's nice to use the white side, which was this card. And also I had put glossy accents all over the letters. That was the letters that came with the kit, and I had glossy accents, and I thought it was really nice to add this touch. Also, the second card here is the Fun Fold, and oh, by the way, I have my notes here, so I'll put this back here so you can take a screenshot. You know, even have some color here. So the pop-up card, that was the first one here I showed you. And also the second card is the double fold gate card, which is this one. Oops. And this is just because I'm going to be demonstrating in French version, because the English I will give you the link, but nobody did it in French. So, and this is the fun one that you use paper 5.5 by 12, and the way you cut it and you fold it. And I add a little bit of Tombow, like dry, so it's sticky. I found that doing this made it a little the close up stays more close. Okay, close it. And that's my second one. And after that I discovered another one just now, this morning. Is like with Vitran. She's a wonderful, and she's a wonderful lady, and she does all these 3D projects. Amazing. So with the kit especially. So this is her pop-up card, and I'll give you the link. And the only thing that I changed was the way to cut the card. So she shows to cut first the card, behind this. Maybe I have another example here. Yes, this. So and she used the paper cutter, and she gives all the dimension to cut the rectangle, and the rectangle, after that you put it inside here as a pocket for a little message here you can put in. It's very tight, but it works. And after that she cut the frame. This is like a paper like that, the vellum. She cut it again, and I found my cut was not as sharp, like a little bit anyway. So what I did this morning when I listened, and I said, okay, I'll do it a different way. I'm taking my poinçon. I have lots of those not oh my god, I lost my words here. The poinçon, you know, it's like I took one of those rectangles that I cut in my Big Shot. So first I did it with the cardstock, and I used it, the behind exactly, and then I, as you can see, a little bit of design, but it didn't bother me. I just find it was nice like that. So this is my way of doing it. So that's the third card. And on the last card I'm going to show you is this one. I found it was really cool because I did that a while ago, and I cut the top of the envelopes and trim it. So I tried to find the link of the lady that I got inspired doing this, and I didn't find it. So as long as you cut the top of the envelopes and then you just make it fit an angle, you know, and you trim it. And but if I find the link, I will put it under the video. So and I think that's it. I found that one here. It's I took a cardstock and took one of those poinçons, and I put it in there, and I had the smaller, but I don't remember which one, but I'll try to look at that, and then if I find it, I'll indicate it in the below in my video. So I hope you like what I have demonstrated. Also, oh yes, I want to show one of those tricks that I use also to adhere to glue the vellum on the card. If you put like dots, you know, it will show, so it's tricky. So all I did is I put some tumble glue, and I took one of the fingers, and I keep my sponges and fingers after my finger, this one, the sponge. And I tap on the, I put the tumble, and I tap, and then I went underneath, in the back of my paper, once it was trimmed. And I just boop, all the way. So it is not showing at all. So, and I keep that in my sponges when I do the similar trick for bigger space. And I keep them, that's a trick of Rachel, I think, to keep all that in a bag. So, and then after a while, it's sticky and you want to remove it, you go with a packing tape, you know, or Scotch tape, and you just remove it. And I can show you. And that again is, oh, I don't have that anymore. Oh, yeah. See, you turn around, you take one of those tapes, and it's gonna make a big, no, oh, it's okay, it's not making a noise. And you turn around and you go like this, and you just stick, and it's all gone. So that's the tip and tricks. So I hope you did enjoy, and my gift today will be, I will be giving away 2 cards, and it's probably those 2 cards here that I will give away. And to the 2 first subscribers that will like my cards or projects, and they will make a comment below my video for that. And I hope you enjoyed my demonstration of today, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.